Okay, good afternoon students. Today we are going to discuss the topic about scanner. Generally what is scanner means? Scanner class is nothing but for getting input from your users. This is the scanner. Anyone can explain the program about scanner?
Now we are going to see a program based on scanner. For getting an output from the user in Java, we need to use the input java.util scanner. It's a package that includes the Java that gets out input from the user. So let's see the program. In first we name the class, and the class name is named as static. Next, in the next line we are going to see the main function. So public static void means string, or is known as a main function, main block. Next, in that we are going to declare scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in.
So here we have to create an object for scanner. Okay.
Now we are going to create an object for scanner. The object name is named as input is equal to new.scanner. In this, the system.in is used to get the input from the user. In next line we can see int a is equal to input.nextInt. In Java, the nextInt is used to get the input from the user in integer value. So here int a is equal to input.nextInt will declare that we are going to get an output from the user in integer value. So system.out.println is used to print the statement. So here we are getting int a. So now we are going to print a. So let's take an example. The user is going to give an input value as 7. Then it will print the input value as 7. Okay. This is for getting an input from the user in integer. Next we are going to see how to get an input from the user in float. Float a is equal to input.nextFloat. Here the next float is defined as the getting an input from the user in float value. Float a is equal to input.nextFloat. String float a. So next we are going to take an example. Anyone can tell any example for the float, like float values? 3.2. In that, the 3.2 value will be printed for the float. Next, string a is equal to input.next a. So here we are going to give a string, like let's take an example. We are going to give a string as a hello space world. But in the next inbuilt function, the next inbuilt function always used to print only the statement or a given string before the space. So here we giving the input as hello space world, right? So in this, when we are using the next function, it will print only hello, the words before string. Next we are going to create string a is equal to input.nextLine. In this, it's directly opposite to next function. So in this, next line is used as it will print the whole string as given. So hello space world will print as does. So in last, character a is equal to input.next.character at 1. So when we are giving a string, like we are giving a string hello, it will access the index value. Everyone knows about the index value, right? It will access the index value for, let's take an hello, HELLO. The index value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will take the index value that are given by the user. So the user had till 1 as an index value. So it will take the string and access the particular index. So the particular index will be E, right? So in hello, the E will be printed. Does anyone?
In this session we have discussed about the scanner class, right? So what is the use of system.in your scanner class? To get the input from the user. How did they get the input? From where? By using your system devices, right? Okay. What is the need for next float?
To get a float input from the user.
Okay.
defining the float.
Okay. What is the use of next line?
Next line gets the line which is given by the user in the command line.
Okay. Then what about if I gave the define the function as char at means what will be the output?
It will access the specific index value at char.
Okay. Thank you.